I've just got this in, just received it last night. It's a hot rod. It's a heat inductor. If you don't know what one is, you are able to heat up nuts and bolts and screws which are rusted. You can heat them up nice without getting anything else hot like plastic and burning it, anything you don't need to burn. And you can just zap it off with an impact or anything you want. It's about $180. I've already used one before. I've got this one here, which is a MINI-DUCTOR. It's probably the market's leading heat inductor. These are about $500. There's a little few differences I'm going to go through with the two of them. They both use the same coils here. The one stuff I like about this one is you're able to lock it here. With this one, you got to use these to lock them in, so it takes a little bit longer. They're about the same size. They both come in little neat boxes. I actually prefer the box over here. This is a nice box. Everything's right there. You can see it. You don't have to dig at the back over here for the stuff you want. I like the sponge of this one. I like it's a little smaller. It's nice little. It fits in more places than the other box. I'm going to show you how quick it will make this nut here go red. Should take about 20 to 30 seconds. And what's great about this is it only works on metal, so you can work on fuel tanks safely. You can work around rubber shoes, rubber bushings without melting anything. Here we go, the colour is changing now. We're getting real hot. That is definitely ready to come off, but I'm going to leave it on there just to see how red we can make this. And look at that. It's only got this part here red hot. You can touch this part over here. I wouldn't recommend it, but that's ready to come off right away.
I'm filming.
Film it.
Yep.
Okay, just started. Timer begins. Let's see which one goes. The MINI-DUCTOR VENOM here, $500. The one on the right, on the right hand, hot rod, is about $180. Let's see who wins. It should take about 30 seconds. I'm seeing the bolt on the right is starting to get discoloured. Okay, we're starting to get some colour on the left. Okay. Definitely seeing some colour on the right. Oh yeah, you can see it. I'm going to pick some cherries in a minute. We're not going to stop until these get red. It's definitely smoking. There you go, see that colour? Look at that. I want to pick that up right now.
Cheap one's doing better.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think it is. So you're $500-$600 to
Less than 200.
less than 200. I think you got it. Look at that.
I had one earlier, it went cherry red, so see what we got. Look at the discoloration on over the bolt. Oh yeah, look at that. Have a look. Oh, you can feel the heat from it. Now you're cooking. The marshmallows out. £384 Fahrenheit. Do a smoke test.